V-waisted seamless thongs. No lines, no limits, just pure comfort. Ladies, let's get real, your underwear should flatter, not frustrate. The TICHERS Seamless Thong 6-pack is your ultimate no-show, no-dig, no-problem solution. Designed with a V-waisted cut, these thongs hug your curves in all the right places while giving your body that sleek, elongated look. Whether you're slaying at the gym, rocking a bodycon dress, or just living your best lounge life, these second-skin soft thongs move with you, no riding up, no rolling down, just pure stretch and breathability. Say goodbye to panty lines and hello to invisible confidence. What makes these better than the rest? It's all in the fabric and fit. Crafted from a luxurious nylon-spandex blend, these thongs feel like buttery smooth magic on your skin. They're seam-free, ultralight, and breathable, meaning zero irritation, zero discomfort, just all day barely there bliss. The low-rise, no-curl design stays put, even under the tightest jeans or leggings. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a little extra stretch? These babies mold to your body without pinching, squeezing, or suffocating, making them the comfiest thongs you'll ever own. Still dealing with panty line paranoia? Not anymore. These invisible thongs are the ultimate wardrobe hack. Whether you're slipping into skin-tight dresses, yoga pants, or high-waisted skirts, they stay completely undetectable, giving you that flawless, seamless finish. Unlike cheap, stiff alternatives, these flex, breathe, and move with you, so you can walk, run, dance, or lounge without a second thought. And because no one has time for constant adjusting, they stay exactly where they should, no sliding, no rolling, no discomfort. Let's talk value for money, because great underwear shouldn't cost a fortune. This 6-pack gives you a fresh, comfy, and stylish pair for every day of the week, because let's be honest, laundry day is never on time. The durable, high-quality fabric keeps its shape, stretch, and softness wash after wash, so you won't be replacing them every few months. And since hygiene is key, swapping out your underwear regularly just got way more affordable. More comfort, more style, less spending? Sounds like a win. These V-waisted seamless thongs are the real MVPs of your lingerie drawer. They're sexy, supportive, and so comfy you'll forget you're even wearing them. Whether you're dressing up, working out, or just living life, these thongs have got your back and front. Ready to upgrade your underwear game? Click Add to Cart and step into a world of all-day comfort and confidence.